Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set age restriction on Netflix on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, please open Chrome browser on your device. After that, please sign in to your Netflix account. And then here you can click three line, and then select account option. Okay, after that in the section you can scroll down and then select the profile you want to set. Okay, after that please choose viewing restriction and enter your password account. Okay, and then now you can set the age as you need. And then click save. That's the tutorial on how to set age restriction on Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.